Okay, this next video is to do with integration and finding the area under a curve. Now again, just like what I said with differentiation, the calculator is numerical only. It will not find the area under the whole curve. In other words, it will not find an indefinite integral with a plus c. It won't do the algebra for you. It will only do it for specific values. So in other words, definite integrals. There are two ways you could do this. There's a visual way and there's a less visual way. Let's do the easy way first, which is on run matrix mode. We go into math and then we scroll along F6 and we find our integral sign. So that's the one we're going to use, and just like we would do it by hand, it looks totally the same. I just sub in my equation and then my 2 points, and I use the arrow key to go along. So that's what I'm looking for, and there's my solution, -8/3. So again, it will only do it for values here, for definite integrals, for areas, but it's very nice. If you want a more visual way of doing this, just because it's kind of cool to see, graph mode, draw your graph. There it is. I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can see it more clearly. And then if I select GSolve and I scroll along, so I'll show you that again, GSolve, and scroll along, I'll see that integral sign again. So I select that, and then I select that again, and then just type in your two values, 1 and 2. So I'm going to type in 1, execute, and then I'm going to type in 2, execute, and you can see it's giving me the visual way. It does give me it in a decimal here, so it's not as nice as the run matrix mode, but it is really nice if you're in a bigger exam style question, because you can see what's happened, what you're integrating, what that means. If you're combining it with the trapezium rule question, for example, then you can see everything that's going on. So that is how to integrate using your graphical calculator.